Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for April 1st, 2015. It is a Wednesday morning, and although it's a bit chilly out, I do have some really good news. This entire forecast period, there will be no threat for any frozen precipitation at all. On the negative side, there's definitely going to be a threat for rain and plenty of it, and possibly even a few isolated severe thunderstorms by the time we get to Friday afternoon. So, definitely more of a spring like feel to this forecast as we finally get into April, and that means the end of winter. So this morning we have temperatures in the lower to mid 30s for the most part throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, with winds from the northwest at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. We have clear skies for the most part, and that means high pressure is in complete control, and as a result, the radar is pretty much high and dry with no threat for precipitation for your morning rush hour. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see that high pressure system taking control as our area low pressure from yesterday that produced higher elevation snowfall, about 1 to 4 inches, and for the most part, some moderate to heavy rainfall along the coast. In fact, some of that rainfall did feature some isolated thunderstorms that produced some lightning and a little bit of a clap of thunder here or there, and some very heavy downpours. But that low pressure system is now out of the area, and now high pressure will be in control for today and tomorrow. Our next threat for rainfall will come from this cold front that is currently out here by the Rockies. That will move through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area starting Friday morning and lingering on into Saturday morning, with the potential for some moderate to heavy rainfall with some of these isolated thunderstorms. So let's take a look at the forecast using the Penn State EWOL website from the European model guidance here. And what we have again for today is high pressure pretty much in control. Temperatures will still average below normal for this time of year, generally in the upper 40s to lower 50s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and also the interior. For tomorrow, high pressure starts to exit the region. Look for southwesterly winds to develop. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures tomorrow, much warmer, mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s in the New York City metropolitan area, and lower to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Now, here's where things get rather interesting. On Friday, a cold front will pretty much stall to the north and west of the northern mid-Atlantic. So we're pretty much in the warm sector of this entire setup for Friday on through early Saturday morning. So look for periods of showers to develop on Friday morning with low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior and lower to mid 50s along the coast. On Friday afternoon, there will be an increasing threat for showers and isolated thunderstorms. Now, the majority of the strongest thunderstorms will be well to our south and west towards the Tennessee River Valley. However, a few isolated severe thunderstorms are still possible as temperatures will rise into the lower to mid 60s. Now, these thunderstorms will feature heavy downpours, occasional to frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. So we'll have to watch out for these thunderstorms on Friday afternoon. The cold front will finally move through the region on Saturday morning with some lingering showers still a threat, low temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. Skies will start to clear towards Saturday afternoon with high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. Again, pretty close to normal for this time of year. Slightly below, but certainly much better than, let's say, having highs in the 30s and 40s, that is for sure. High pressure will be in control on Sunday, should I say, with clear skies. Temperatures range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. On Monday, a cold front will approach the region with a few isolated showers, low temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the interior, and lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures on Monday in the lower to mid 50s. And then on Tuesday, a cold front will linger just to the north of the region with a few scattered showers. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over the interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, and lower to mid 60s along the coast. So that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.